two, three.
Turn it up.
According to the American Society of Civil Engineers, more than 26% of America's bridges are structurally or functionally obsolete, receiving a C- letter grade. The average bridge is built to last 50 years, and as of 2012, the average age of America's bridges is 43 years old. This year alone, there will be a nearly $7 billion shortfall in spending just to maintain the current bridges in this country. If this trend continues, we will see more catastrophes like the collapse of the I-35 West Bridge in Minneapolis, Minnesota, that injured 145 people and killed 13.
According to the American Society of Civil Engineers, roadways garnered a grade of D-, substantially low considering Americans spend a reported 4.2 billion hours stuck in traffic on American roadways, this costing the average American $710 annually. Roadways played a factor in every 1 out of 3 traffic fatalities. Roadways cost the average American $333 annually in repair and operating costs. The current spending budget of $70.3 billion for highway improvements is well below the estimated $186 billion needed to annually improve our nation's roadways.
One area of infrastructure that is in need of improvements is the railway system of the United States. After receiving a grade of C- and seeing the projected shortfall of $11.7 billion projected in the next 5 years, it is an aspect of civil engineering that is in need of serious improvements. Many people don't realize that trains are a major part of America's transportation for both freight and passenger rails. Freight trains carry supplies to over 150,000 miles of tracks across the United States, while passenger trains transport close to 30 million riders annually. If this much is dependent on railway travel, we need to ensure that the tracks are safe and the trains are efficient. Also, trains are now starting to switch to electricity as an alternative energy source. This is saving our environment and making trains a more appealing way of transportation. So, what does this mean for you? This means that as a future civil engineer, these problems will be yours to solve. You will be relied upon to shape the future and to create a more sustainable world for many years to come.